function 4 divided by 3x minus 6, and we want to find a geometric power series representation for this function here, center at negative 2, meaning we want to find a power series representation such that for values near negative 2, to the left of negative 2, to the right of negative 2, the function and the power series are the same. And so if we want to get a power series representation center at negative 2, then what we need to do is change this x right here to x minus negative 2. And so here we have 4, and then if we insert a negative 2 in here, 3x minus negative 2, and then minus 6. And so when we inserted a negative 2 in here, then what we did was we added 3 times negative 2 to the to this expression right here. We added actually this is negative becomes positive. So we added, when we put a negative 2 in here, we added 3 times 2, which is 6, to this expression. And since we added 6, then we need to take away 6. And then we can verify that this part right here is 3x minus 6. This is 3 times x plus 2, and then minus 12, because negative minus 6 and minus 6 is minus 12. And then we get 3x, 3 times x plus 6, and then minus 12, which is 3x minus 6. So again, because we want the power series representation to be centered at negative 2, so we have to do x minus negative 2, but x minus negative 2 is x plus 2, and so we inserted a plus 2 in here, and so we, which means we added 3 times 2 to this expression, and so 3 times 2 is 6, so we added 2, and so we need to take away, we added 6, so we need to take away 6. And so this now becomes this. This is the 4, and then we have 3, and then x plus 2, and minus 12. So the original 4 divided by 3x minus 6 is now 4 dividing by 3 times x plus 2 minus 12. And so now what we need to do is write this, transform what we just did here, so that it's in the form of a divided by 1 minus r, because we need it to be in this form. And so here we have 3 times x plus 2 minus 12, so we can write it as minus 12 plus 3 times x plus 2. And then to get it into the form of a divided by 1 minus r, we need to divide everything by negative 12. So 4 dividing by negative 12 and then negative 12 divided by negative 12, and 3 plus x, 3 times x plus 2 divided by negative 12. This becomes negative 1/3, and then this is 1, and then notice 3 divided by negative 12 is negative 1/4. And so this part right here becomes x plus 2 over 4. And so now our quotient here is in the form of a divided by 1 minus r. A will be negative 1/3. A will be negative 1/3, and then r will be x plus 2 over 4. So now we'll write the power series representation. So the power series representation is infinite series of a times r to the n. So in this case, a is negative 1/3, and r is x plus 2 over 4, and then to the n. And again, this is a geometric power series. And so this power series converges as long as r is between negative 1 and 1, but r is x plus 2 over 4. So this power series converges if x plus 2 over 4 is between negative 1 and 1. And then we need to solve for x. So multiply everything by 4. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And then x plus 2 over 4 times 4 is x plus 2. And then subtract 2. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. X plus 2 minus 2 is x. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. And so this power series converges if x is between negative 6 and 2. And so as long as x is between negative 6 and 2, then the function 4 divided by 3x minus 6 and the power series here, they are the same.